is central air conditioning? Central air conditioning is a system that cools your entire home or building using one main unit. It uses ducts to distribute cold air evenly across all rooms. The system includes a powerful outdoor compressor and an indoor air handler. It's ideal for large spaces and provides consistent cooling throughout. Though it's more expensive to install, it adds value to your property. If you want complete control and comfort, Central AC is a long-term investment worth making.